Hey, it's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and today I'm going to show you how to make my lime and caper catfish. It is delicious. Okay, so let's get started. I got a skillet here, cast iron. I like to cook in cast iron because it just evenly distributes the heat and it's delicious. And I'm going to put in some butter. Any recipe that starts with butter is good for me. Now you want to make sure you are going to be using an oven safe dish because this is going to go in the oven to cook all the way through. All right. Now as our oven begins to melt, I've got 2 catfish fillets. Okay, and we're going to season this with some really good stuff. I'm going to start with a sprinkle of kosher salt onto the catfish and some black pepper. For some complexity and flavor, I'm going to put a little bit of granulated garlic down and some Italian seasoning. This is the Italian herbs with the rosemary and the basil, the oregano, the dried thyme. Now, you have to eat both sides, so you might as well season both sides. So I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side of our catfish. Smells amazing already. All right, how bad could this be? Herbs, garlic, catfish, butter, delicious. All right. Our butter is start to brown a little bit. That's exactly what you want, right? Nice nutty flavor. And then right into here, we add in the catfish, okay? Now, I am using catfish, but you can use cod, halibut, sea bass, same preparation. Now, as this begins to cook, what's gonna happen is it's gonna get crispy and brown on the edges, and that's exactly what you want to happen. Now, I'm gonna add a few more ingredients to help make the sauce and bring it all together. The first is gonna be a little bit of honey is gonna go in, because we're gonna sweeten this up a little bit. The juice of 2 limes will go in, just like this. And then we just need one more simple ingredient, and I've got some capers that I'm gonna just add in. I'm just gonna drain some of the juice off of the capers, and I'm gonna put these right into the sauce as well. All right, that's it. Now my oven's preheated to 400 degrees. I'm gonna drop this off into the oven, let it cook until it's golden brown. This will cook no more than 6 or 7 minutes. Our sauce is gonna be reduced, our fish is gonna be cooked all the way through, and this is gonna be some really good eating. Look how golden brown and fantastic this catfish looks, okay? Now this is not the catfish my grandmother used to fry, but I guarantee you she'd be happy to have a piece of this. And then got a little bit of parsley just for freshness. And there you have it. This is that caper and lime catfish that is just really easy to make. A couple of minutes and you got this right on your dinner table. The full recipe, you know where it's gonna be? It's gonna be at DariusCooks.tv.